Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Miami Mondays. Today, I am going to be showcasing an establishment that is the lifeblood of Little Havana, the Ball and Chain. The Ball and Chain Saloon was opened in 1935. It remained in business until the late 1950s, going through various name changes such as Himmel's Ball and Chain and the Ball and Chain Tavern. During its first 20-year run, the Ball and Chain and similar establishments were being targeted by the Ku Klux Klan, referring to them as dens of iniquity. It was a very appealing venue for black entertainers such as Billie Holiday and Count Basie, as they were able to stay in the Tower apartments after their shows. In 1958, the space was transformed into the Copa Lounge Tavern until 1967. And then finally, in the early 2000s, the space was renovated to its former glory, the new and improved Ball and Chain. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another episode of Miami Mondays. The whole month of December, I am doing 21 days of holiday giveaways where I'm giving away clothes, I'm giving away tickets, I'm giving away all kinds of different things to support Miami local businesses. You know, we gotta support our small business community here, especially through this pandemic. This is an integral establishment to our community, to Little Havana, to Calle Ocho. I mean, it's been here since the 1930s. We need to protect our Miami community. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and share, and I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Thank you so much. ¿Y qué?
A que le levante el economía del país.
Ah, bueno.
Casado legalmente con un alemán.
Ah.
La hija con él.
Morning. Bien. A su antigua gloria. Ya, no puedes dejar tu matrimonio, no, por cualquiera. En 1958 se transformó.
Se llama igual que yo, o yo me llamo igual que mi papá.
Wow.
En la familia de los cuatro.
That's us. Wow.
Se llama.
You know, I saw you from over there and I was like, is that Big Papa?
That's Big Papa.
Recognize you from a mile away.
That's right, very well known worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide, the original. En negocio las curso the original Peanut Man of Calle Ocho, el manicero original del Calle Ocho. Dime tu línea.
53 años trabajando el maní, pinas, cacahuete a $1, very, very good.
Oh my God.
Son ricos mis pinas. Es very good peanut.
Best peanuts around.
Best peanuts around.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
You heard it straight from people passing by.
Best peanuts around.
okay.
Gracias, Francisco.
Gracias. Lindo día.
Que tengas buen día.